Hello guys, in this video I will explain you what is Tooltip Widget in Flutter. Basically this is used to inform the user about the functionality of a button. So let me start with a flat button. So here I am going to use a flat button widget, and within that I am using a child property to add icon in this flat button widget. So use a child property, and within this icon widget, and inside that icons dot I'm going to add update icon. So let me save this. So icon widget have added. So let me use a center widget to place this icon at the center. So click on this actions menu and wrap with center widget. So save this. Now you can see this update icon is at the center. So I'm going to wrap this with Tooltip widget. Okay, and change its name to Tooltip. That's okay. And it is mandatory to provide a property called message inside this Tooltip widget. So I'm going to give message as update text. Okay, whenever you click on this icon you will get this message. Let me show you first. So see, when I try to click on this, you will get this message like update text, which we have given in the Tooltip widget and inside message property. Okay, that's fine. And to customize this widget there are many properties. So let me start with prefer below. Okay, by default it is true. It means it will show you the message below the icon. So if I make it false, so when you click on this, now it is showing above this icon. Okay, that's it. And let me show you a property called height. Okay, so in the name itself it is to increase the height of this Tooltip widget. So save this, and when I click on this, now you can see the height of this Tooltip widget have increased. And next I will show you a property called show duration. Okay, it is the duration of time for this Tooltip to show the message after the long press. Okay, and next I'm going to add a widget called duration, and inside that let me use a seconds property, and I will give 8 here. So it will wait for 8 seconds after I long press on it. See, this message will wait for 8 seconds. Okay, and next let me show you a property called vertical offset. So this property is for the gap between the widget and the Tooltip message. Okay, and let me give 50 here when I long press on it. So now you can see the gap between this Tooltip and the widget. And there is one more property called textile to add color to this Tooltip. So textile widget, and inside that I'm going to add a color. So I'm using colors property and colors dot white. So it is already in white color. So let me change this color to red. Okay, now you can see the text color have changed to red. And click on inside this Tooltip widget and hit on control space, and these are all the properties that you can do experiment. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like.